Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a quick review on this Hoover SmartWash Plus carpet cleaner. So we've got a hose that we can attach to it. It's got two brush rollers. Both brush rollers come out for easy cleaning. This is where you attach the hose. This is the dirty water tank. You're just going to lift it up, take it over the sink, empty it out. You put the clean water here, lift it up. And around back, this is where the solution goes. You put concentrated solution right here. And the machine, when it's cleaning, is going to mix the concentrated and the water together itself. We've got foot controls, handle release, turn it on. We also have a dry only switch. Now this automatically puts down the fluid when you're going forward. And then when you're reversing, it's just suction only and not putting any solution down. So there is no trigger you pull or anything. It automatically puts the solution down. And at the end of the job, since this has a clean water tank, if you want it just to put clean water down, all you do is remove the solution tank. And now when it works, it's only going to put water down to rinse the carpet. And one thing to keep in mind when you put these tanks on, make sure you push these tanks down all the way. Okay, so we got some grape juice, ketchup, and some chocolate stain. This is a really bad stain, so let's treat it just a little bit, and then we're going to see how it does. I'm just going to spray a little bit of this on there since that's such a bad stain, but we really want to see how well it cleans. Okay, so we're going to turn it on, release the handle. Now when I go forward, it's going to put water and solution down. Now it's suction only. Now to do the wash, you got to go really slow for the solution to come out. Now go back. If I go too fast, it doesn't put solution down. Now if I slow it down, okay, so I did clean it for a little bit more. Now we can take the dirty water tank out. You're going to take that over the sink, empty all of that out. And again, here's the dry only switch. Okay, so this retails for about $300. It is on sale on Amazon for $252 right now. Now, I did buy this used off Amazon for about $125. It doesn't work as good as I would have liked. The wash dry it's not sensing when it's going forward or back. Now, it's always in dry mode, but when it's not sensing when it goes forward so that it can put the solution down all the time. That's only working about, 20% of the time. And it doesn't matter if I go really slow or fast. And I don't know where that sensor is. I think it's internal because I looked on the bottom. There was nothing on the bottom I didn't see. I was actually really excited when I started using this, but it just doesn't work. I got to send it back. You know, if this works really well with that sensor, it's actually a pretty nice carpet cleaner, but I like all the different attachments. The brushes come out, everything's easy to use. And that heat force, don't be fooled. That's just the hot air from the machine going down to help cool. There's no heater or anything. And they want you to use hot water in the hot water or the clean water tank. But it's relatively lightweight, easy to push. I like the hose. I was really excited about it. So I will put a link to it in the show description notes. I am going to have to get another one, and we'll see how it does on the next one. So if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.